Welcome back. Salgaonkar Sports Club scored an emphatic 4-1 victory over East Bengal in the I-League on Monday. Karim Ben-Sharifa's boys came up with a superb performance to ease their relegation worries for the moment. The match was played at Nehru Stadium in Madgaon.
Former champion Salgaonkar Sports Club came into this match placed second from the bottom and in need of a result to continue their fight for survival in the I-League. East Bengal took the field looking for their first win after a 12-match winless streak in all competitions. The former champions and Bengal powerhouse have looked very ordinary in the second phase of the I-League and knew very well that they were fast sliding down into the dreaded zone. Although the Green Brigade had looked in a comparatively better form under Moroccan coach Ben Sharifa, their last outing was a defeat at home to Chirag United. The home team needed a strong performance on the day and they got off to a perfect start with Cajetan Fernandez putting the host in the lead in the 10th minute. The local fans were obviously jubilant as an entertaining encounter was unfolding in front of their eyes. Salgaonkar tightened their grip on the proceedings with Rahula Samiana doubling their lead in the 15th minute. East Bengal had their moments as well and looked determined to claw back into the match. Sanju Pradhan on a turn put a calculated finish to reduce the margin in the 27th minute. The visitors could have even levelled scores just before half-time, but experienced striker Yakubu Yusuf's cheeky back heel failed to beat a spirited Kalyan Chobe. One of the informed strikers in the I-League, Ekene Ikenwa, came to the party in the second half and scored a fine brace to complete a comprehensive victory for the Vasco-based club. With these two goals, Nigerian forward Ekene took his tally in the I-League to 11 goals and now sits fourth in the goal scorers chart. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Stamina Cricketers defeated Goa Police by 3 wickets in the second Vasudev Godge Memorial T20 cricket. This tournament is organised by PVG at Fatorda. Stamina chased down Goa Police's total of 136 runs to move into the next round.
In another match, hosts PVG Madgaon scored a narrow 2-run victory over Sangay Cricketers. In a low-scoring match dominated by the bowlers, PVG batted first and posted a modest total of 109 runs, losing 9 wickets in their allotted 20 overs. Gaurav Naik with 27 runs and Ulhas Opkar with 26 made important contributions with the bat. Sachin Satardekar, Sushant Govekar and Anand Mashelkar picked up 3 wickets each for Sangay. In the reply, Sangay cricketers were all out for 107 runs. Sushant Govekar came good with the bat as well, making the top score of 59 runs. PVG's Marian Anthony claimed 4 wickets to help his side win the nail-biter.
Thanks to Prudent Media, every day capturing the moments of this match and being telecast.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
When people intend to dance, they dance on any piece of music and any tunes. Some dance on drums, some on guitars, and some on just the sound of a shank. Have a look at these dancers tuning on the sounds from a shank. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.